Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2021 VW Golf Life. This car comes with the 1.5 petrol turbo engine and the manual gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 128 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 52 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 17 and this is a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 17,000 miles and comes with full service history. This colour is called the Dolphin Grey and looks in great condition for the age of mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, the theme continues. So you have the nice tidy interior. The fabric on the seats is nice and hard wearing. There's an armrest and two cup holders there in the centre for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple Carplay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. And then a few other features I can mention. You also have the virtual cockpit display, automatic headlights and wipers, cruise control on the left hand side of the steering wheel, and on the driver's door card you have your electric mirror and 4 window controls. For a hatchback, the Golf always has a good amount of legroom and headroom in the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers also have their own air vents there in the centre, also with 2 charging ports. And it's good to see the car's got the VW carpet floor mats as well. Opening the tailgate reveals a good sized boot for the class, with the rear seats that can be split and the parcel shelf that's still in place. You also have the adjustable floor, which is at its lowest point at the moment, and below that you've then also got some extra storage there, as well as your tyre inflator kit there in the bag. Externally, the car comes with LED headlights, front and rear parking sensors, and the 16-inch alloy wheels. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.